Hello, and today we are looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company British Airways Boeing 767-200ER in 1/200 scale. Now this model is a snap fit model kit that you could put together real easily with no glue required, which I will give you a demonstration of in a moment. But first of all, let's have a quick look at the box it comes in. As you can see here, we have an image of the plane. This is actually a photo of the plane we will be building inside. See, it's a British Airways plane with a nice classic Landor livery. And then on the side here, again, we have British Airways again with a nice crest, the model of the plane, the Boeing 767-200ER, and some dimensions of a real Boeing 767-200ER, which is its height, length, and wingspan. Now let's just open up the box and get ready to build it. So we have its wings, the fuselage. Here we have the stand and the horizontal stabilizer, the second part of the stand, and the vertical stabilizer. Start off, let's take the fuselage. You can see it's one piece, looking really nice with really clear printing. We'll get a closer look at the detail once it is built. First off, let's start with the wings. As you can see, they're just two parts. You very simply take the model and just push the wing on like so. You do that on both sides, and there you have it. There's the wings. Now moving on to the tail, we will do the stabilizers. Now on this one, you start with the horizontal stabilizer. As you can see, it's got this gap in between, so that once it's placed in, this part will fit in between here. So you just find it at the back, make sure it's the right way up, and just slide it in. It'll be a little bit awkward to get it in, but it does slide in once you've got it. So there you go, like so, just pushes in, and then we'll take the vertical stabilizer and pop that in the top. So that pushes in here. You'll know it's lined up properly because you've got to push it in. We have been able to here. Okay, and there you have it, the British Airways Boeing 767-200ER in 1/200 scale. Now let's have a nice closer look at this model itself. And starting off with one of the big things, just the wings. And you can see on the wings, you can see the printing here, especially you can feel it, the flaps and ailerons on this wings. Of course, we also have the jet engines on the wings. As you can see, this is a twin jet airliner, just two engines. See the other one there, see the turbines inside. Flip to the underneath, you can see same level of detail across. Actually, there is no landing gear on this plane, but it does have a nice little display stand here, which we'll get into once we finish looking at the model separately. Moving to the tail, you can see, getting close, you can see the rudders and elevators on the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Now let's look at the livery itself. As you can see, this has the British Airways Landor livery, which is a classic British Airways livery, which was introduced in 1984 and remained as their main livery until 1997. And it was designed by Landor Associates, which is why it has the name, the Landor livery. As you can see, this plane also has its registration here of N654US, so you can see the registration printed on it. Let's go looking back at the livery itself. You can see it says British Airways here, with a really, really nice deep blue running all along the bottom, with a nice red stripe there. And the vertical stabilizer, you can see same level of deep blue again, got a nice crest on here. You can see it closely, it says to fly, to serve. Got the number at the top, a number here saying 654. Turning it round, same level across, It's really nice and clear printing on it. You see the cockpit. See the windows, really nice. The distinct Boeing shape with a nice sharp bend there. See all the windows, again, British Airways. Just overall, it's a really nice, simple printed model. And again, doesn't have landing gear, but does have a stand, which I will now get to here. Stand just comes in two pieces. This piece here, and the bit to attach it to. You can see on the stand, we have the same crest that is on the vertical stabilizer. Of course, it's still saying to fly to serve. And then the airline and model of the plane are written on it as well. So when it's on display, you can see at a glance what this plane is. So you just push the two pieces together, like so. And then just push them into the bottom of the plane, like that. Just make sure it is in securely. On a stand like so. Just sits on it really nicely. Let's take it back up for now. Just remove the stand. Let's get a little bit about the Boeing 767 itself. So the Boeing 767 is a wide-body twin-jet airliner that began production all the way back in 1981 and entered service the following year in 1982. And variants of the 767 to this day remain in production. Now this one in particular is a 767-200ER, the 200 being the original 767, and the ER standing for extended range, and this particular variant was introduced in 1984. Now going back to the registration on this plane of N654US, this plane actually entered service with British Airways in 1993 after it was leased from US Air, and it flew with British Airways for 3 years before being returned to US Air. And to this day, this plane is no longer in service. It's been fully retired, so you will not see this plane flying around. So it's a nice piece of little aviation history. Maybe you're a fan of British Airways, the Boeing 767, or this classic British Airways livery. But overall, it's a really, really nice little display piece for, aviation fans. Let's get to the size of the model. The model itself has a wingspan of about 23.7 centimeters or 9.3 inches, and is about 24.2 centimeters long or 9.5 inches long. And it's just a really nice little display piece. Let's put it back on its display stand, like so. Get a nice look at it. One last quick look. It's a really nice, really good model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.